Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be on YouTube somewhere doing a bit of research on how to sell digital products as an affiliate, okay? So over the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. If this is one of the first times that you're watching my video, hello, how's it going? My name is Aaron Chen. I focus on content that will teach you how to build a more profitable online business, okay? And at any time, you can consider subscribing by clicking on my name, or you can click on the link below and get access to my 4-day training where I teach you how I built out my 6-figure affiliate marketing business. Okay, you can check that out anytime. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to talk a little bit about how you can start to sell digital products online as an affiliate, right? So I'm assuming that if you're watching this video and you're trying to search for this kind of content on YouTube especially, you've got no experience with digital marketing, you don't really understand it, you don't know affiliate marketing, and so let's talk a little bit about that, okay? Now, the whole thing about affiliate marketing is it's very, very simple. All you're doing is you're selling digital products, okay, to people that need it. That's it. Okay, let me make this a little bit smaller. Okay, cool. That's all you're doing, all right? You're taking digital products and you're marketing it to people that need to solve a problem and need those products, all right? Now, the tricky part is actually the marketing of those products. That is really where the magic happens, okay? Because the products that you market, you can find them anywhere, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute so that you can know where to find these kinds of products. But it's really the marketing skills and getting people to know, like, and trust you, okay, that makes all the difference, right? And I'm also going to talk about why 99% of affiliate marketers out there, 99% of digital marketers have no idea what they're doing, and they can't get a positive ROI, and they constantly fail, okay? And this is what I was doing in my business when I first started. First 8 years, I had no idea what I was doing. I was literally spending way more money than I had. I wasn't profiting, and we'll talk about the problems and why that happens and how you can remedy it, okay? So let's first talk about where to actually buy these products, right? Or where you don't even need to buy them, actually. You can just sort of get them for free, right? And there are a lot of what we call affiliate marketplaces, right, on the internet, and some of those big marketplaces are ClickBank, JVZoo, let me see, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the one that I like the best, okay, is the 4% network, right? I call it the 4% network, okay? So these are some of the big ones, all right? ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, 4% network. Now, what I'm not going to do in this video is I'm not going to show you how to go there and, look for products and all that stuff, because that stuff is easy, okay? All you need to do is you just head to Google, literally just go to Google, and you can plug any of these names in. So if you don't have a pen and a piece of paper right now, you should be taking notes right now, okay? Or you can rewatch this video if you want. But write these names down, okay? ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, 4% network, and you can literally just Google this. Go into Google and just plug them in, and you can find digital products in any niche area you want. So if you want to learn how to stop, teach people how to teach their pets to stop peeing on the carpet, you can do that. You can sell products on digital marketing. You can teach someone how to build a blog. You can teach someone how to fall in love. You can teach someone how to run faster, jump higher. You can teach people how to do better gardening. There are so many places that you can go to buy these products, okay? So it's not about, going through the step-by-step and learning how to market, or pick these products. That's easy. All right. The problem is learning how to market them properly, not to pick them, but how to market them properly. Okay. So now that you know where to go to find these products, right? Now this is the one that I like. Okay. 4% network. You can check it out in the resources below at any time. Now, if you're watching this video on mobile right now, okay, all you have to do is click on the arrow. I think it's either on the left or right hand side. And once you click that arrow, the description box will pop up, and those are where all the resources are, okay, if you're confused, okay? So you can check out the 4% network below. Go ahead and register for any of their courses for free, and then you can remarket them for free as well, okay? Pretty cool. Now, some of them are paid, some of them are free, but this is the place that I like to sell or pick a lot of my products, because the quality is very, very high, okay? Now, this is what most people do when they try and sell affiliate products online, okay? And this is what everybody's teaching you, unfortunately, right? This is the wrong way to do it, all right? So this is what all the I'm gonna say wannabe gurus strategy, okay? Because honestly, that's what it is. I don't even know why people teach this strategy, because I think they're just leading you in the wrong direction, okay? And listen, I've reviewed hundreds of products now on JVZoo, ClickBank, and all these websites, right? And I would say that 90% of the products that I review teach this strategy. It's ridiculous. They teach various versions of this strategy. It doesn't work. It's going to keep you confused. You're going to stay broke. You're not going to sell any products with a good ROI anyway by using this strategy, okay? So what is this strategy? So this is what they teach you, okay? They say you got to master traffic, which is fine, okay? And then they say send traffic to a capture page, all right? Now, if you guys don't know what a capture page is, a capture page, all it is it's a website that you own that asks your potential customers for an email address so that you can start to follow up with them, okay? Now what happens is once they enter that email into your capture page, they go into something called an autoresponder, which you also own. It's your email database, and you start to follow up with them on a regular basis. Now all of that is great to begin with, okay? Now here's where it starts to get really messed up, right? And I think that this is the wrong thing to do. What they say is you need to have a replicated sales page from one of those affiliate networks that I just showed you earlier. So it could be from ClickBank, it could be from JVZoo, you know, it could be from Warrior Plus, it could be from the 4%, whatever, okay? And basically, all you do is you send traffic to the capture page, which then sends them to this replicated sales page from one of these affiliate networks, okay? And then what you do is that's the first step, right? Then what you do is once people on your email, you send them back to this sales page over and over and over again. So you email them every single day for the rest of their life, and you keep sending them back to this replicated sales page. Now, if you've heard of this strategy, and you probably have if you've been online for any amount of time, right? This is the strategy that is going to keep you broke. All right? 99% of people online, even for paid products, teach this ridiculously stupid strategy. All right? Now, why do they do that? Honestly, I think it's because they don't really know what they're doing. And the only way a lot of these guys make money is by selling their products to poor people like you who have no idea what you're doing. You're a beginner, right? So you trust them, you pay, you know, $10, you pay $100, you pay $50, you pay $500 for this product which teaches you this strategy that basically doesn't work, okay? Now, why doesn't this work? Well, there are a few reasons, all right? The first reason is because everyone is doing it, okay? So everyone looks the same. Remember that if you're trying to do affiliate marketing online, you're trying to sell products, right? Your potential customer is not only on your list, they're on maybe 50 other marketers' lists or 30 other marketers' lists. So everybody looks the same. They're just promoting their products over and over and over again. They look like a greasy car salesman, right? They're just slamming this opportunity over this poor person's head, right? And so people get pissed off, they get annoyed, and then they do one of two things. They either opt out or they don't respond to their emails, which is really, really bad for you as an affiliate marketer. So this is not the way to sell products, right? So everyone's doing it. You don't stand out. You know, so many reasons. You look like everyone else, and people just ignore you, right? They don't get to know, like, and trust you, so they ignore you. They don't want to work with you, and so they're never gonna buy any of your products, okay? And so this is the way to stay broke. I wouldn't recommend this strategy at all. Now, if you really want to be successful, you know, in digital marketing, selling, you know, affiliate products, then the way that you do it is this way, and I'm going to teach you right here, right? I call this, well, there's many names, but you know, this is the 1% strategy, right? This is what the 1% of affiliate marketers do online. Now, it's very simple, okay? It starts off the same way because traffic is the most important thing, and you generate traffic by you know, doing banner advertising, social media, pay-per-click advertising, solo ads, email marketing. I use a lot of YouTube, right? So you can check out my channel for my YouTube strategy, and this is what really works online, okay? So you send traffic to a capture page, you collect an email address, so that's exactly the same, okay? And then you don't send them to your replicated sales page. You send them to a custom, okay, sales funnel that you create, okay? And it's very simple. All you have to do is create value-driven videos. I call this the value series, right? You guys might have heard this before, but that's all it is. It's short, little, value-driven videos that allows your audience to get to know, like, and trust you. Now, when people know, like, and trust you and you recommend them something to buy, they're more likely to buy from you than from somebody else. I hope that makes sense, okay? And literally, this is the thing that will change everything, all right? Now, this over here, literally, you're going to convert this at, you know, I would say less than 1% sales conversions, okay? Now, this one right here, if you learn how to do it properly, you can convert at, I would say, anywhere from 5 to 10%. It's really ridiculously different, okay? Awesome. So I know that sounds really simple, okay? But the reality is that most people are just lazy to do this. You know, all people want to do is they want to, you know, buy a solo ad online. They want to, you know, create a simple capture page, and they want to drive it straight to a replicated sales page because people are lazy, right? And if you're lazy, then you're not going to be a very successful affiliate marketer, unfortunately, okay? So, you know, I've been teaching this strategy now for the last 2 years, okay? And really, every single person that implements this properly, all right, they get tremendous results. Now, how do you actually build out a custom sales funnel? Because that might sound very scary to you. You're like, oh no, custom sales funnel. That sounds really scary. But actually, you know, when we're talking about custom sales funnel, all you really need to do is create a very simple page that has a title, a video, and a button. That's all it is, okay? And the video that you create, when you create value-driven videos, can literally be you taking your phone and just recording a quick little 3-minute video, teaching your customer base about whatever topic you're actually trying to sell products on, right? So if you're in the weight loss industry, then you talk about weight loss. If you're in the make money online industry, you teach people how to generate, you know, leads and build sales funnels and talk about tracking and everything to do with that particular industry. Does that make sense? Yeah? So it's actually not that complicated, and there are lots of really cool tools out there that are very inexpensive that you can use to build out these sales funnels, right? So ClickFunnels is the one that I use. It's the Ferrari of funnel builders. There's lead pages. There's so many different, you know, there's so many different custom funnel builders that you can invest in, right? And you can check out, you know, the resources section below at any time if you want to find out exactly what I'm using, okay? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Does this make sense, right? Can you see why value-driven videos will create a much better response with your customer base when you're trying to sell digital products than, say, for example, this strategy where you're literally just slamming people over the head with a sales offer over and over again. Listen, I mean, if I was on some marketer's list and they were just selling me junk every single day without building any value, I don't even know who this person is, I'm definitely not going to buy anything from them. I'm going to click delete, I'm going to ignore them, or I'm going to click unsubscribe, okay? And that's just the reality of the situation. So let me know if you got some value from this video today. Would appreciate some thumbs ups, guys. And listen, if you want to check out my 4-day training, and I literally teach you how to do this over the shoulder, step by step, okay? In my 4-day training that you can access by clicking in the link below. Again, if you're on your mobile, all you have to do is click on the little arrow. It's going to reveal the description box, and you can click on the link on there. And I'll send that to your email address, to your inbox. So make sure you look out for that. And that's some of my best training. You know, I get some amazing feedback, and I know that it will help you to get really close to building a 5 to 6 figure affiliate marketing business. So I hope you enjoyed this training. Take care. All the best. Speak to you soon. And let's chat soon.